British indie brand Fairer is back, and bolder than ever. Say hello to the Three-Hand Series 3, the latest evolution of Fairer's signature time-only line. Founded in 2015, Fairer designs in London and builds in Switzerland. From characterful three-handers to GMTs, chronographs and compressor divers, the brand has built a cult following for its vibrant designs and direct-to-consumer value. Now, in its third generation, the 39mm stainless steel case gets subtle upgrades. A slightly thicker 11.8mm profile, polished and brushed finishing, and a screw-down bronze-capped crown. Water resistance jumps from 50 to 100 meters, making these watches more versatile for everyday life. But the real story is on the dials. Fairer has introduced 3 new textured designs, each named after a historic English vessel. Alert, a deep red fissured dial, inspired by Arctic exploration. Venture, a gradient blue crackled texture recalling the Edward Bonaventure's 16th century journey to Russia. Aurora, a copper Flinke-style guilloche dial, paying tribute to the Antarctic expedition yacht SY Aurora. Each dial is built in layers, stamped for texture, spray-painted for gradient, lacquered for depth, then finished with luminous lumicast or superluminova numerals and hands for outstanding nighttime legibility. Inside beats the top-grade La Jouperet G101 automatic movement with a robust 68-hour power reserve, stop seconds, and a customized rotor etched with the Fairer logo. Each model is priced at £1,025 or €1,185, with leather straps as standard and an optional stainless steel bracelet. Colorful, capable, and characterful. The new Fairer Three-Hand Series 3 proves British design is alive and well. Which dial would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on watch reviews.